Hi everyone, welcome back to Triple Z. In today's video, we're exploring the best sewer pipe inspection camera you can get today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Sanipace. Let's get started. Product feature. Navigates tight S-traps and P-traps with a super compact 0.67-inch camera probe, reaching places larger cameras simply can't go for thorough inspections. Features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip and a sturdy iron storage box to keep your equipment protected and organized while on the move. Built with a reinforced frame to ensure stability and smooth cable rewinding, making your inspection process hassle-free and reliable every time you use it. Equipped with a powerful 5600 mAh battery that gives you up to 7 hours of continuous use for those longer, more demanding plumbing jobs. Captures crystal clear visuals with a high-end 1/3 CMOS sensor and 1000 TVL resolution, ensuring you see every detail even in the darkest pipes. Includes an advanced built-in microphone and speaker, allowing you to record audio notes directly with your video for much better documentation. View everything on a vibrant 4.3-inch color LCD monitor with 8 adjustable LED lights and a sun visor for perfect outdoor visibility and protection. Pros. You'll love how this camera makes tough jobs feel simple and stress-free. The long battery life means you won't have to worry about losing power mid-inspection, and the audio recording is a total game changer for explaining issues to your clients. It's built to last, feels incredibly stable in your hands, and the compact probe handles those tricky bends with ease, saving you time. Cons. While the included 16GB card is a great start for your projects, heavy users might find they need to upgrade to a 32GB card eventually. Also, while the 4.3-inch screen is very clear and portable, some might prefer an even larger display for viewing extremely fine details from a distance during long workdays. Final thoughts. Investing in your tools is really about investing in your peace of mind. This camera isn't just a piece of tech, it's a partner that helps you solve problems and care for your clients' homes with absolute precision. Having this kind of clarity and reliability by your side gives you the confidence to tackle any plumbing mystery, knowing you have the very best view of what's happening underground. Stop guessing and start seeing exactly what's hidden in those pipes. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Triplezon and like this video to stay updated on all the latest gear. See you next time.